Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did these snowy looking nails, and today's video is sponsored by Pueen. I used Cuticle base coat, Holo Taco Super Glossy Taco, Savannah Lacquer Night King, which is our polish pickup for this month, Pueen Pure White, Stamping Plate 06, and the Chunky Transparent Stamper, and latex free cuticle guard. So I did apply the cuticle guard around my nail, and then on the stamping plate I took the white polish, and then I just took the scraper and scraped over it a couple times and roll my stamper to pick up the image, and then I just placed it with the smaller dots towards my cuticle and the larger dots towards the top of my nail to kind of look like snowfall. And then I just remove the cuticle guard and apply the top coat, and that's it for this look. I really like how the stamping looks on top of that polish. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you next time. Bye.